not touch anything red.
What did...
Are we worth it?
Well,
Both can be true. Same.
Okay, do not touch anything red. We still live?
Worth it.
Whoa, that's brisk. Incoming truck, coming in hot. Still blank. Suspenseful, huh?
Yes!